So it says it's up to the centre. First of all, you've got to take the spark plug out. Obviously I took the spark plug out, there's the spark plug hole. So I'll just set my tripod up. I think you can just see that. So spark plug's out, so it's pretty easy to turn your engine over. You can just put, I use this, use anything thin screwdriver, just be careful you don't damage it. And you can just hold it there and you'll watch it go up and down. Obviously when the piston's at the top, you can feel it rocking, it wants to go up and then down, so you know that's top dead centre. Right there. And also, if you want to double check, you can pull off your pull it out a bit. Pull off the recoil starter handle, and that diamond will, they call it a triangle mark there, will line up with the top hole dead on. So that's top dead centre. I don't know if you've seen that mark there with the first hole, or the 12 o'clock position hole, with that cut out mark there. It actually shows you that in the manual as well, so